Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Matsuda sunglasses model M3096 in color code BG. The color of the frame is gold. On its temple is a protective sleeve to make sure that the frame doesn't get scratched or damaged. The lenses are blue, and these glasses are an oval shape. Its temples are gold. This is the inside of the frame, and you'll find the Matsuda M on its nose pads. On its inner right temple is the dimensions of the frame and that it's made in Japan. On its inner left temple is the Matsuda logo and the model number. And this is the middle of the nose bridge. These glasses also come with a Matsuda gift box, a Matsuda case, with a Matsuda M, and a Matsuda cleaning cloth. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.